I'm Laura Goodrich. For the last 17 years, I've been working with individuals and teams experiencing dynamic change. I ask them, is there something that's getting in the way of your performance and distracting the team? Invariably, especially now, people tell me that fear-based thinking on the team and in the organization is getting in the way of everything that needs to happen. What I've developed is a very practical methodology to create positive change in individuals and drive a change adaptive mindset focused on positive outcomes that they want and need. It's not another positive attitude program, it's an experience that includes the why and the hows, utilizing video, audio, graphics, and music that turns your focus away from fear and what you're trying to avoid to a mindset of focusing on positive outcomes, awareness, and action. It's like when you buy a red car. You buy a red car, and what do you notice? Red cars? You notice red cars because that is what you're focused on. I understand your need for a stable environment, but the amount of change in the world has created a cascading effect of fear-based thinking on us and our teams. This is for innovative, forward-thinking people who recognize we're not leaving on the road that we came on. We're at a place of transformation and few industries will be exempt. They are committed to developing the mindset that will equip them to maneuver the road ahead and lead others to do the same.